welcome back to another video, guys. And in this video we're going to be making a healthy breakfast burrito meal prep for those days that you can't and you got no time and you need to eat healthy. This is the perfect idea. So here are the ingredients that you're going to be needing. First thing we need is some jumbo tortillas, flour, preferably for burrito. Make sure it is flexible, because if it is not flexible it will not work. Then we've got 8 eggs, 2 generous cups of spinach, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, or it doesn't really matter what type of cheese, it could be cheddar cheese, pizza blend, whatever. 1 avocado, 1 capsicum, preferably large, 4 garlic cloves, 1 onion, 500 grams of chicken breast, because if you've seen my videos you know I love my protein, some extra virgin olive oil for the frying, and then for the seasoning I've got some paprika, some chili, some cumin, and some salt. I'm just going to list the ingredients here to make it easier, and here's the nutritional value for just 1. So this recipe will make 30 grams of protein and 465 calories. That is pretty good. And by the way, guys, out of the 18 grams of fat, only 5 grams is saturated. But the special mention, we have vitamin B6, C, and K. K helps heal injuries and strengthen bones. Vitamin C, also good for your bones, your skin, your eyes, obviously your immune system. B6, it's also good for your immune system, but besides that, it's good for your nervous system, helps keep that healthy, and lastly, it's good for brain development. Okay, now that we have cut the onion, the garlic, the capsicum, as you saw, in strips, same as the chicken in strips, it is time to fry. First thing we're going to be doing is first thing we're doing, of course, onion and garlic. Okay. While we're waiting for the garlic and onion to fry the chicken, we need to whisk up the 8 eggs. I'm not going to bore you with everything, so let's do this at a rapid pace. Yep. You gotta whisk all this up. Okay, so here are the eggs. Before we do put in the eggs, I want to just make sure this thing is ready. So as you see here, it's becoming nice and brown. Oh my god, the smell is so good. Anyways, let's just add this chicken. Don't want to touch it. Now as you see, when you make it really thin, it's really easy for it to get white. Like just look at this one. Flip it. So it gets white really easy. Anyways, let's put this thing on. Let it fry, so that smoke, and let's actually put the eggs. First, turn on the stove. Usually when I make my eggs, I don't put any oil or butter. I just mix it, and it doesn't really stick if you use an anti-stick pan. So we're going to be saving these 3 ingredients here for the chicken, and for now, we're only going to be putting some salt here. Wow. The chicken's looking nearly ready, I would say. Not fully ready. Just with that piece of fat right there. And I reckon we're ready to add the capsicum. Just put the capsicum in. One thing I forgot to add. We need a bowl. So what's going to happen after this is ready, I'm going to pour it in here with the egg and then with this other stuff over here. And then that's how we're going to prep this. Now, it's going back to here. With the eggs, since we're not using any oil, we gotta keep mixing it so nothing does stick on the floor and it evenly cooks. I reckon we're ready to add the seasoning. So, of course, a bunch of salt, add some cumin, then some chili. Now finally some paprika. Oh, this one loves coming out. I think should be ready now. Let's turn this one off. So now with both of these turned off, we just gonna put it in this one, mix everything up so we can evenly distribute it in the jumbo tortillas. We are just gonna let this cool down. That's the cheese done. Now we got this veg. Okay guys, finally we are done. This is going straight in there. And now the only thing we gotta do is actually close them, and then we're gonna be putting it into this container. First, just come over here. We're going to be closing these ones. I'm gonna do it burrito style. First time actually doing it. So let's see if I know. So what we do, fold in the sides, clip in the edges, and then just roll. Hey, it's not too bad. Not even kidding. Now that we're done, literally everything took nearly 2 hours. I reckon you can cut that in half and do it in 1 hour, because obviously you're not going to be recording. You probably have more expertise than I do. My God, guys. I'm so excited to try this out. Now, I may add some Tabasco depending on how spicy it is, but let's take a bite. By the way, heat it up just for 45 seconds in the microwave. Holy crap. Oh, it's actually so good. Let's put a bit of Tabasco on that. It's so good. I think this is the key. One final mention, guys, before I leave you. If you are going to put it into the freezer and it's just for one person, then put aluminium foil around it, or put it into separate containers. Since my family is also eating it, we're going to finish that in less than a week, probably 3 days even. We're going to leave it in the refrigerator